Walmart gift cards that show already used usually mean the balance was already redeemed, the card was used in a previous transaction, or Walmart needs more information to verify the card's status. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why a Walmart gift card says it was already used and what steps to take before replacing it. Start by checking the gift card balance through Walmart's gift card balance checker. Enter the card information to confirm whether there is still money available. If the balance is zero, check your Walmart purchase history, receipts, and recent orders. The gift card may have been applied to a purchase you forgot about, or a transaction made through another Walmart account. If you shop using multiple Walmart accounts, sign into each account and review recent activity. A gift card balance may have been used on a different account than the one you normally use. If someone gave you the gift card, ask whether they redeemed the card before giving it to you. Once a Walmart gift card balance has been used, the same funds cannot be added again to another account. If you purchase the gift card yourself, keep the receipt and activation details. Walmart may ask for proof of purchase to verify that the card was bought and activated correctly. If Walmart shows the card is used but you did not spend the balance, contact Walmart customer service. Provide the gift card number, receipt, purchase location, and the exact message you receive when checking the balance. Walmart can review the gift card information and help determine whether the card was already redeemed, had an activation issue, or needs additional investigation. Avoid sharing your Walmart gift card number online. Anyone who gets access to unused gift card details may be able to use the remaining balance. If the card was purchased from a third-party seller, keep your transaction records. The seller may need those details to investigate the purchase. To recap, check the gift card balance, review your Walmart orders, keep your receipt, and contact Walmart if the card shows used without your permission. Your next step is to check your purchase history before buying another gift card. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other gift card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.